Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the median function using the statistics module in Python. So this median function is used to return the middle value of a numeric data set or a numeric list. So basically the median function returns the middle value of your data which is given. You have to make sure that the data should be numeric, and this median function uses the common mean of the middle two method. If the data is empty, then this median function will raise a statistics error. The median is a robust measure of central location, and it is less affected by the presence of outliers. So when the number of data points is odd, the middle data point is returned. When the number of data points is even, then the median is interpolated by taking the average of the two middle values. So let's take a very simple example of these two scenarios. So let's say that I have a list 1 in which I have odd number of elements, let's say 1, 3 and 4. So I have 3 elements over here, so the number of elements is odd. Similarly, I have a list 2 in which I'm going to give 1, 3, 4 and again 1, which is even number of elements in our list. So the number of elements are even. So we have 4 in list 2 and 3 in list 1. So if I want to get the median of this list, in this case, the middle data point is returned. For us, 3 will be returned. When we have even number of elements, the number of item that is present in our list is even, then the median will be interpolated by taking the average of the two middle values. So let's import this module first as s, and then I'm going to give print s dot median, and then I have to give the argument which is list 1 over here. Similarly, for our list 2, I'm just gonna copy and paste this print statement, and I'm going to replace this list 2. So if I run it, you can see that we are getting 3 as the middle value when our number of arguments in the list is odd. When our number of argument in the list is even, then it takes the average of the two middle values. So this is suited when your data is discrete and you do not mind that the median may not be the actual data point. So if your data is ordinal, then you can use median low, which we are going to discuss in our next video. And if your data is numeric, then you have to use median high. So this is a very simple example that how you can use statistics.median function in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.